3, yan. Himline. 9. 4. 5. Okay. 6. Himline. 7. 8. Open arms. 9. Front. 9. Down. 9. Side. 10. Back. 11. Back. 11. Himline. 12. Waistline. 13. Kneel. 14. Himline. 15. Okay. 16. The other side. 16. Himline. 17. Let's 17 count. No? Okay. Okay. Report. Your report. Ito yung report mo.
Sir, this is acetone under the category of chemical substances. And this is card knife under the category of object with sharp points and sharp edges. And devices that discharge projectile and other similar items capable of being used to cause serious injury.
Perfect.
Sir, this is prohibited item. I will intercept this and I will drop this into the security restricted item box for proper disposal. And sir, this is suspected ammo under the category of exclusive incendiary substances and devices. Sir, this is prohibited item. I will intercept this. Sir, can I borrow your board pass and valid ID?
See? Contender for number 1. Okay?
Sir, thank you for your cooperation with this.
Ano lang? Thank you for your...
I will refer you to my supervisor for proper disposition. Sir, thank you for
Ang documentation. Bago ka magtaas ang kamay. Kala ko perfect na eh. Pero,
I will
he can
I will
memorize.
refer you to my supervisor for proper disposition and for documentation.
Okay? Yan.
Sir, thank you for your cooperation. Have a safe flight.
Wala na.
Thank
Wala
you for
na.
your cooperation.
Wala na. Stop it pa sana. Wala na. Wala na. Anong grade na ibigay?
Forgettable, sir.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Hindi. He can memorize. Yan, mahirap na yan. Yung iba dyan na scanning device, DP, detergent. Kasi na lang madali yung iba. Test ko lang ito. Mahirap yung tatlo na yan.
Galing.
So,